Bullish to neutral REPL is trending following the company's recent submission of a biologics license application for its lead oncolytic immunotherapy candidate RP1 targeting cutaneous melanoma that has failed prior anti-PD1 therapy. The submission is under the accelerated approval pathway, which is designed to bring promising treatments for serious conditions to market more quickly based on surrogate endpoints. This is not exactly fresh news. So the investor community is actively discussing the likelihood of regulatory approval comparing RP1's mechanism of action and clinical data to existing melanoma therapies such as Keytruda and Opdivo. Some Buddhist analysts see the therapy as a potentially significant addition to the treatment landscape for patients with limited options, highlighting its novel approach of directly injecting a genetically engineered herpes simplex virus to selectively kill tumor cells and stimulate a systemic anti-tumor immune response, amongst other things. Amongst other things. Skeptics in the community are questioning about commercialization hurdles, including the logistical complexity of an intratumoral therapy, physician adoption, and potential competition from other next generation immunotherapies in development. There's also debate about whether RP1's data will be sufficient for full approval later on, as confirmatory studies may be required to convert an accelerated approval into traditional approval. Yeah, amongst other things that's going on, the stock is trending. We haven't, I think it's just up slightly 1.74%. Underlying trend is neutral to bullish, though our prices are expected to keep printing up till Friday, the 1st of August. And after that, maybe it might attempt to continue the uptrend. We have, regardless, we have upper projections anyway. We have 12.83s, just a slight upper projection, 14.3 to 15.25. It may even have higher projections. Does it have? No, that's all it has. Um, let's see what we have here. Okay, so the 10 period moving average, 10-day moving average, the buying pressure is indicating that the buying pressure has been in effect has been going on for some time now. Yeah, even though we've seen we saw a slight decline from the high of 12.66 as of Wednesday the 16th, but the buying pressure is still there. The slight correction it has had of late hasn't dented, they hasn't diminished the buying pressure. It's indicating that the amongst other things that the 10-day moving average is likely to remain above the price of the stock is likely to remain above its 10-day moving average at least for the next 2 or 3 days, regardless. So we can equally go and see what is going on with the price pressure momentum too. This measures the angle of attack of its 21 day moving average, equally strong as well. Equally strong as well. So the correction hasn't diminished, it hasn't erased the buying pressure that is going on and the ones that occurred previously. So buying pressure is still there, even though it has cooled off for. Okay, yeah, actually, as a matter of fact, yesterday, the 21st, it actually printed again. So yeah, 1.94. So that has ensured that the prime buying pressure has been sustained. But like I said, the algos are speculating that it's going to decline. So let's have a look at the 4 hour chart and see what's going on. 4 hour chart, we have Yeah, weakness is extrapolated. Lower prices expect to keep printing, going all the way towards Thursday, the 31st of August. No guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, what do we have? Even higher projections: 15.84, 17.45, 18.44. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of REPL. And thank you very much for watching this video.